In this video, let's find out if you can claim exempt on W-4 for just one paycheck. When you claim exempt on a W-4, you are telling your employer not to withhold federal income tax for your paycheck. This is only allowed if you had no tax liability last year and you expect no tax liability this year. Claiming exempt incorrectly can lead to penalties and interest from the IRS. Technically, you cannot claim exempt for a single paycheck only. The IRS does not look at individual paychecks. It looks at your total annual income and tax withholding. The W-4 form is designed to adjust your withholding for future paychecks, not just one. That means any changes you make will apply until you submit a new W-4 form. If you want less tax withheld on a single paycheck, you can submit a new W-4 to adjust your withholding for future paychecks or consult a tax professional to see if other options are available, such as additional allowances or adjustments. Never claim exempt unless you meet the IRS requirements. Otherwise, you could owe taxes plus penalties. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.